Hi guys, I'm here with very short question of English literature. Dear friends, these are some questions which mostly asked in any competitive exam. So इसी प्रकार के questions के लिए please like, share and subscribe Pankaj Institute of English. Let's start our first question. First question is which work made Byron famous overnight? बायरन के किस वर्क ने उनको रातों रात बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रसिद्ध बना दिया था, फेमस कर दिया था? सो द आंसर ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द विच वर्क ऑफ बायरन फेमस मेड फेमस बायरन overnight. So the correct answer is Child Harold's Pilgrimage. 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 So, Child Harold's Pilgrimage made Byron famous overnight. This is the first question. Which now second question is kids critical views appears in. किड्स के जो क्रिटिकल व्यूज थे वो किस में मिलते हैं? तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज इन लेटर्स. लेटर्स यानी किड्स क्रिटिकल व्यूज appears in letters. And किड्स इजाबेला और द पॉट ऑफ बैसल, इसी को इजाबेला को ही पॉट ऑफ बैसल भी कहते हैं. सो किड्स इजाबेला और द पॉट ऑफ बैसल इज बेस्ड ऑन द टेल ऑफ. सो व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर? Kids Isabella or the Pot of Basil is based on the tale of Boccaccio. Boccaccio. Yes. Kids Isabella or the Pot of Basil is based on the tale of Boccaccio. Now next question is Wordsworth had his passion for nature fixed in his blood. Who said this for Wordsworth? वर्ड्सवर्थ के बारे में, वर्ड्सवर्थ इज नोन एज द पोएट ऑफ नेचर. और वर्ड्सवर्थ के बारे में ये किसने कहा था? वर्ड्सवर्थ हैड हिज पैशन फॉर हिज नेचर, कि वर्ड्सवर्थ के मन में जो पैशन है किसके नेचर के लिए, वो उनके ब्लड में है. तो किसने कहा था वर्ड्सवर्थ के बारे में? द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी क्विंसी. डी क्विंसी said that Wordsworth had his passion for his nature fixed in his blood. And one more question, very important question. Johnson wrote the lives of poets. Johnson ने लिखा है the lives of poet. Who wrote the lives of novelist? Who wrote the life of novelist? The correct answer is Sir Walter Scott. Sir Walter Scott. Sir Walter Scott has written Sir Walter Scott wrote the lives of novelists. So dear friends, these are 5 questions. So these are 5 questions mostly asked in competitive exam. इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन competitive exam में पूछे जाते हैं. Again, which work made Byron famous overnight? Child Harold's Pilgrimage. Kids critical views appears in letters. Wordsworth had his passion for nature fixed in his blood. Who said this? De Quincey said this. And Keats Isabella or the Pot of Basil is based on the tale of Boccaccio. Johnson wrote the lives of poets. Who wrote the lives of novelists? The correct answer is Sir Walter Scott. So dear friends, इसी प्रकार के questions के लिए please like, share and subscribe Pankaj Institute of English. Thank you for watching this video. Next 5 questions are as following.